If you have granite counters and other natural stone surfaces in your home, there is one mistake to avoid: using everyday common household cleaners. They can damage natural stone, leading to costly repairs. In selecting the right products, ensure that they are safe on all natural stone and quartz, safe on food prep surfaces, non-toxic and non-acidic, biodegradable, and do not contain phosphates or ammonia. The 3 essential steps to maintaining your natural stone surfaces are: Step 1. Clean often. Step 2. Seal frequently. Step 3. Polish regularly. Step 1. Clean often. Even if your surface appears clean, the safest bet is to clean it daily and after every meal preparation with a streak-free formula that safely deep cleans granite, marble, travertine, and all other natural stone and quartz surfaces. The granite cleaner should be used regularly instead of typical everyday household cleaning products, which can damage natural stone. Using a granite cleaner made specifically for natural stone surfaces will give you peace of mind knowing there aren't any harsh ingredients damaging your protective seal. Simply spray onto your surface and wipe dry with a paper towel or lint-free cloth. Step 2. Seal frequently. A quality sealer creates a barrier to protect all natural stone and maintains maximum surface protection against staining, etching, and soil buildup. After cleaning the surface, spray the sealer in 3-foot sections. Immediately wipe sealer into stone with a lint-free cloth. Do not allow sealer to dry on surface; it will cause hazing. Buff dry with a lint-free cloth. For maximum protection, repeat process 2 to 3 times, waiting 20 minutes in between coats, or until dry to the touch. You can use the surface about 2 hours later, but wait 24 hours before you polish. Step 3. Polish regularly. A quality polish quickly and easily enhances the shine and luster of your granite, marble, and other natural stone and quartz surfaces. Regular use after cleaning will bring out stone's natural beauty and provide ongoing protection against water spots and fingerprints. Spray polish onto your stone surface. Buff with a paper towel or lint-free cloth. Wipe dry with a clean paper towel or lint-free cloth. Note: don't polish stone floors, as they will become slippery and can risk injury. There's nothing like the wow factor polishing gives to marble, granite, and all other natural stone surfaces. The reflective shine and luster become a centerpiece of your home decor, not to mention a source of envy among your guests. Following these 3 essential steps in stone care will keep your granite, marble, quartz, and other natural stone and surfaces looking brand new for years.